Alright, so this isn't a disassembly or repair video, unless you count disassembling this box as disassembly. But anyways, I just wanted to do uh, opening, box opening of this, or unboxing of this. I believe if it is what I think it is, then yeah, I'm excited because I need this. My phone is having too many issues, and when I try and do work, responding to messages, it takes forever. So let's see. It is okay. So is what I thought it was. Okay, I don't know, they shipped this super fast. I think it was like 1 or 2 days. But these are it's the Note 20 Ultra 5G. T-Mobile is having an offer. I was surprised. I didn't even have to open a new line this time. And it was basically buy one, get the second one with $1,000 credit over 24 months. So they credit the account over 24 months. So you pay both phones, and then actually even both phones you pay over 24 months. So it's basically they cover it. So anyways, let's see if I can I pop this open without cutting the tape? Usually I don't like cutting the tape, but okay. I might have to. It messes up the box anyways. Okay, so do that. Let's see if I can do it in a way that doesn't mess up the box. If I peel it straight back, hopefully that will cause less damage to the box. Alright, so now I know for future ones, peel it like that. If you peel it up, that's what happens. It gets all bubbly like this, okay? So if you want to peel stickers off without messing up the box, just do it like this. Okay, I already messed up my box, so it's too late, but that's how you do it. Try and keep it so that it just folds over itself, and that's the best way to do it. And then you can clean up the residue with the other sticker. Clean off the residue and have a nice clean box, this is how you do it. Okay, just like this. Oops, uh-oh, that one had the peel up thing and I damaged it. Well, too late for that box. I guess I will just cover it with some electrical tape or something. Alright, so there we go. We'll open this up. We got a nice new phone. They actually cut a little hole in this screen thing so that you can use your fingerprint. I don't know if you can leave this as a screen protector. It looks like you can, but you might want to cut off this little tab. So temporarily you can. I don't really like screen protectors where there's like cutouts like this, because the dust and dirt, it'll make like marks in those areas. So I'd probably rather not even use one. So they have a hole here where usually they would put the IMEI stickers and stuff, but they didn't put it on this, so you just peel this stuff off. Inside this box, it looks like there's some extra stuff. Alright, there's the SIM card eject thing. So usually people don't really open these boxes to show what's inside, so let's see. Got some quick reference guides, and you got this Samsung support stuff. Okay, return policies and cancellations, terms and conditions, and then they just kind of show you what's on the phone. Alright, and take the phone out. Oh. So inside they have this charger. It says super fast charging, so it's not a regular fast charger. I think people are saying it's a 45 watt output, 5 volt, 3 amps. Let's see if you can see that. So if you want to see it for yourself, there you go. Okay. And it comes with the SIM card, and that's it. What else? I don't know why it needs a SIM card. I can use my old SIM card, but I guess that's nice. Then this little box has nothing in it. Okay, that's weird. I would have thought it would have came with extra tips or something. Maybe it's in another box. Usually they come with little extra tips for the stylus, but I don't see any this time. That's really weird. I wonder if I got cheated. So then you got the USB-C to USB-C cable that people are talking about. It looks like they made the packaging in a way that you can't slide the cable out, so you do have to pop this out. Okay, I don't like tearing the packaging, but I might have to on this one. Oh, there we go. Alright, there you go. How's this being held in place? Did they glue it? Okay, it's coming out. There we go. So there's the USB-C to USB-C cable. I think you can still use the regular USB charging cables. It just won't be as good. I'm assuming they did that because the new computers, they have that and it's faster. But yeah, I'm not seeing... That's very strange. I'm not seeing the extra tips for the S Pen. I would have thought it would come with it. So there's nothing in this box at all. Nothing in there, nothing in there. This stuff doesn't come out, I don't think. Does it? No, it's glued in. So, yeah, I don't know. The phones are getting super expensive and they're including less stuff. I mean, to be fair, they are making the phones more powerful and all this stuff, but yeah, they don't have extra tips. Maybe they found that most people that use the phones, they don't use the pen enough to need the replacement tips, so I guess they just got rid of them. I mean, I have all the tips from my old one, and I've only used one replacement tip because I got a messed up stylus on a used phone. But anyways, so that was the unboxing. Hopefully that was helpful to you, so that you know what comes with it. But yeah, if not, there's a whole bunch of other videos with unboxings. I'm going to set up the phone later today because I need to do other stuff. I have lots of work coming. So yeah, maybe I'll show the phone once it's all done. But yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.